This is NOAA weather radio station, KEC80. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Peachtree City and is transmitted from the top of Stone Mountain on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The KEC80 listening area includes the following counties: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. Visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta for the latest weather information, including watches and warnings. You can also like your Peachtree City National Weather Service on Facebook or follow NWS Atlanta on Twitter.
Don't mind the totally correct date and time for those of you who can see it. Okay. Yep.
Across northeast Georgia until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Although winds will be light today, relative humidity values are expected to fall below 30%. For this afternoon, Atlanta listening area to your local burn.
Come on, Clayton. Come on. Oh, there he is.
Once again at 4 p.m. at Gainesville, it was 83 degrees and sunny. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Clayton, Georgia and the surrounding area. Tonight, central Georgia and likely on additional days through the week ahead amid ongoing very dry conditions. Further information. Further activation will not be needed through tonight. High fire danger conditions this afternoon into the evening.
No, Central
Monday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s.
Okay, safe.
Lows in the upper 50s.
First Alert WX150. Pretty cool.